I am flabbergasted because today I was working on my little projects, minding my own business, and I got a little message from a friend on TikTok. And that message said that Super Ray Dizzle used one of my TikToks in her videos. And I love this so much for two reasons. One, I love Super Ray Dizzle. The second is that I was actually in the middle of a watercolor ground video when I received the message. Specifically, I want to paint watercolor onto these little baubles, but this is plastic, so if we put watercolor on this, it would just drop off. And I received that message when I was sitting here painting this watercolor ground on these little baubles. I did get a first coat on these earlier, but because it's on plastic, it kind of slides around a little bit, so I think it's safer to put a second coat on it to make sure it's fully covered. So I'm going to do that, and then once it's dry, we're going to paint on them. In case you've never heard of it, watercolor ground is something that you can place on anything, and then it turns into kind of like a paper-like substance so that it'll accept watercolor and act similar to paper. Not exactly like it, but similar.